E, part 10 of 10, lock nut. Create a new file. Select model template, select the units millimeter, enter the name, lock nut, click OK. Create a sketch. Select the XY datum plane, click OK. Click polygon. Specify the point. Select the sketch origin. Number of sides 6. Radius 8 mm. Rotation 0 degree. Now finish the sketch. Select X2. Extrude to a distance of 5 mm. OK. Now draw a sketch. With this surface, specify the origin point to the original datum coordinate system. Click OK. Draw a circle of diameter 16 mm. Finish the sketch. Now select the extrude. Select reverse the direction. Select Boolean status intersect. And select the rectangle from start limit minus 60 degree. Click OK. Now create a mirror feature. Select mirror feature, select the extrude, select the new plane, specify the plane, offset, select the surface, and enter the distance minus 2.5 mm. Select show result, click OK. Now create a hole. Select threaded hole. Select M8 into 1. Select the center of the nut. Enter the hold 5 mm. Okay. Right click, orient view to trimetry. Show on the high edges, curves, and points. Okay. Save the file. File close all parts. This completes code E part 10 of 10 lock nut.